Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol APHA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very brutal day on this one, but to offer up a little bit of defense, it's not like it was just this one. All the other, pot stocks got absolutely, hammered today too. So we'll see if the price can recover or not, but certainly from the technical point of view, updates here need to be made. So the first big event that happened today was the price breaking down through this important area of support right there at 485. 485, if you go through the history of things, provided a great bounce point right there. And then even today, actually, for a while, you can see the price was doing a great job of holding up above there. And then after the price ultimately did fall below it right there, you can see that's what pretty much launched the next big downward surge. And I bring all that up because a foundational rule in charting states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So with any sort of further bounce back up to the upside, $4.85 is now that key level of resistance, which I'm not going to say is impossible to break through, but that the price will definitely have to, bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only break up above it, but then able to, be able to stay above that level. In the event the price does get up above there, then the next key overarching level of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. Main word being moving. So as Friday and then next week plays out, that line will move its way downwards and get more and more relevant. Because I get it, the price is way down there and that level is way up there. But that level is going to move and change and bring itself to become more relevant as both Friday and then early next week play out. But really, getting too far ahead of myself because as of now, don't even need to really focus that much on that purple line because the price first needs to prove itself in the near term, and again, quote unquote, prove itself, being defined as not only getting up above 485, but then being able to stay up above it. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact of the bleeding finally stopped today at $4.45. So 445 for, like I said, for that reason and that reason alone, it's just simply where the price stopped going down. That is where, you definitely want to see the price hold up if this is going to be any sort of bottom going forward. So certainly a lot of downwards pressure on these stocks right now. The APH got a little bit of a bounce this afternoon. We'll see if the price can build upon it at all. But if it is going to be able to build upon it, that first key battleground, again, right up there at 485. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.